Question number 41. A data value influence the prediction of the model are called dependent variable, feature, identifiers, label. So we know the by which we can predict the value. This is something related to the labels, right? So here we need to know what is the variable, dependent variable, features, identifier, and label. First of all, dependent variable. Dependent variable, this is the outcome or target you are trying to predict, like house price, pricing, and others. These are the dependent variables. Whereas feature, these are the data value that influence the prediction, like number of rooms, location. Identifier is a unique ID like customer ID and all these things, right? That is not used in production. Whereas the label, another name of the dependent variable or target, right? So here, selection will be the a feature one. This is the feature. We do all these things. This is also called the dependent variable. Question number 42. What type of the machine learning problem is predicting the price of the house? So classification, clustering, regression, reinforcement. As we know, classification is used to classify the object, right? Banana, apple, and clustering. Clustering is used for the group of similar data without label, right? And regression is the predict the continuous value that may be zero and more than zero value. So there will be the and regression is the part of the learning by the trail and the error rewards, right? So correct answer will be the regression. Question number 43. Which type of machine learning should you use to predict the number of gift card will be the sold in the next month? A. Classification, B. Regression, and C. Clustering. So classification again, it is not the by in classification we classify the object, right? In regression, yes, by this can be more than one, and it tell about the future related data, and it's more than the zero. Clustering is used related to the grouping. So correct answer is the regression. Question number 44. You have a data set that contain information about the taxi journey that occur during a given period. You need to train a model to predict the fare of taxi journey. What should you use as a fare? A. Number of taxi journey in the dataset. B. Trip distance individual taxi journey. A fare individual taxi journey. A trip ID of individual taxi journey. So in this question, uh, uh, we need to know what exactly question asked. So question asked is need to predict the fare, right? So how we can predict the fare? The trip ID individual taxi, will it work? No. The fare of individual taxi journey, will it work? Cancel. Let it read rest of the option. A number of taxi journey in the data set. This depend how many taxi are there, right? This is tell about the size. So option A is incorrect. Where is option B? Trip distance of the individual taxi journey. This is the input feature, not the target feature. So the fare of individual taxi journey is the correct. Why? Because this is the value we want the model to learn and the predict. Right. So the correct answer is answer C, the fare of individual taxi journey. Question number 45. You need to predict the sea level in the meter of the next 10 years. Which machine learning should you use? Classification, regression, clustering. Many times we have know about all the, what is the classification, regression, and clustering. So again, this is the very easy question for us. So correct answer is option B, regression. Question number 46. This is this is the statement based question. We need to select yes or no. So, statement first is the automated machine learning, the process of automating the time consuming iterative task of the machine learning model development. Yes, this is a true statement. Always automated machine learning process and it uh, time consuming iterative task, that everything is the process, right? Automatically automate all these things. Is the automated machine learning can automatically infer the training data from the use case provided? No, we need to give the use case provided, right? So statement two is the false. Automated machine learning work the running multiple training iteration that is score and ranked by the matrix you specified. Yes, this is also true. Option 4, automated machine learning enable you to specify data set and will automatically understand which are labeled to predict. No, automatically it not predict, we need to specify. So statement one is true, second one is the false, third one is true, and fourth one is a false. Question number 47. A banking system that predicts the whether of loan will be repaid is an example of the type of machine learning, classification, regression, clustering. So this is the part of the banking. Means what is the question asked? Try to understand the question. Question is asking that the banking system predict, means it will predict should we give or not give, whether the loan repaid or not. So this is the part of regression? No. This is the part of classification? No. This is a part of the classification. So correct answer is the classification. Question number 48. What is the Azure Text Analytics Service detect? Text Analytics it detects sentiment, right? So is the part of the select language detection, sentiment analysis, object regression, and key phrase extraction, right? Sentiment analysis without wasting time. Option B is the correct. Correct answer is option B. Question number 49. This is again the statement based question in which we have to select which statement is true, which statement is false. Labeling is the process of tagging the training data with known value. Yes, this statement is true. Why? Because labeling is the process of tagging the training data during the training our model. So, you should evaluate the model using the same data used to train the model. No, there should be a different data, right? One question we have a read in which we split the data randomly basis of the rows. Right? So statement two is false. Accuracy is always primary metrics used to measure the model performance. No, always no, sometimes. Right? So statement one is true, rest two option is the false. Question number 50. Which service should you use to extract text, key value pairs, and table data automatically from the scanned document? That is the form recognizer, right? So where it is? Option A, form recognizer. That is the correct answer.